Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the background in Microsoft Planner. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your plans and allow you to customize their appearance. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Look on the left side of your screen where you'll see a navigation menu. Click on My Plans. This section displays all the plans you've created or have been added to, making it easy to manage and organize your different projects and tasks. From your list of plans, click on the specific plan whose background you want to change. This will open up that plan and show you all the associated tasks, buckets, and team members. It's important to open the actual plan rather than just viewing it from the list, as this is where you'll access the customization options. Now that you're inside your chosen plan, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see the planner name displayed prominently at the top. Click directly on this planner name. This action is key because it opens up the customization menu where you can personalize the visual appearance of your plan. Once you click the planner name, a panel will appear showing you a selection of suggested backgrounds. Microsoft Planner offers various background options designed to help you visually distinguish between different plans or simply add some personality to your workspace. Take a moment to browse through the available options and see which one best fits your plan's theme or your personal preference. When you've found a background you like, simply click on it. The background will be applied immediately to your plan, giving it a fresh new look. This visual customization can help you quickly identify different plans at a glance and make your planning experience more enjoyable and organized. And that's it, you've successfully changed the background in Microsoft Planner, giving your plan a personalized touch that makes it easier to recognize and more pleasant to work with. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.